Manufacturers face big challenges. How do you stand out, capture your niche market, and turn your online presence into real results? Welcome to WSI Digital Marketing for Manufacturers, where your trust meets our expertise and your manufacturing brand's digital potential becomes a reality. We don't just understand marketing, we understand the nuances of your industry, the technical details of your processes, the needs of your audience, even the competitive landscape you're up against. Every manufacturer's challenges and opportunities are unique. That's why we act as partners who design, fine-tune, and evolve your digital marketing strategies with your specific goals in mind. Our approach is built on the WSI Internet Solutions lifecycle, a step-by-step process that keeps your strategy focused, measurable, and adaptable. First, we start with discovery, diving deep into your business to uncover your challenges and opportunities. Next, we move into strategy, building a plan tailored to your goals. Then comes implementation, where we roll out solutions like SEO, PPC, content marketing, AI, and social media. After that, measurement, tracking every move with analytics to give you clear insights. And finally, optimization, constantly refining your strategy so you're always ahead in the digital landscape. Our promise to you is simple. We'll deliver a customized digital marketing strategy that positions your brand not just to keep up, but to lead.